In 2024, Access Holdings made a difference for over 6.1 million people across Africa, tackling health challenges head-on. Through our sickle cell support program, we ensured 1,200 warriors, supported 500 families, and collected 159 pints of blood to save lives. We also reached 20,000 people with free genotype testing and awareness campaigns. Our Access Pads a Girl initiative distributed 25,000 menstrual kits to girls in 7 states, educating 100,000 people through digital and traditional media. Safe Birthing Project delivered 27,421 birth kits, trained 300 traditional birth attendants, and reached 2 million individuals with maternal health campaigns, while establishing 120 support groups. Through the End HIV Project, 20,059 individuals got free testing, and 200,000 people learned about HIV prevention and stigma reduction. We distributed 2,000 malaria nets, treated 345 pregnant women, and reached 100,000 people with malaria prevention education through our End Malaria project. And let's not forget the Save Little Hearts initiative. 10 pediatric heart surgeries, 1,500 screenings, and 160,211 people educated about congenital heart diseases. With your partnership, we've delivered real impact, from 200 cataract surgeries to food and health aid for 2,000 persons with disabilities. Together, we're shaping a healthier future for Africa.